Good morning, students. So we were discussing numerical problems on mole concept. So let us continue with the same. See the next question, which is how many atoms of hydrogen are there in 36 gram of ammonia? So we have to calculate the hydrogen atoms in 36 gram of ammonia. So firstly we should know the number of moles. So number of moles can be calculated by given mass upon molar mass. So given mass is 36 and the molar mass for ammonia is 18. So we get number of moles as 4. So here we have to calculate the total moles of hydrogen atoms. So which can be calculated by the formula number of moles is equal to number of particles in this case we have to calculate the atoms of hydrogen upon Avogadro number. So number of moles we have calculated as 4. Avogadro number we know 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 is equal to number of atoms. So when we multiply this we get number of hydrogen atoms as 96.352 into 10 raised to the power 23 as number of atoms, number of hydrogen atoms. So this is the answer. Now see the next question, which is calculate the number of hydrogen atoms in 1 mole of H2. So now we have to calculate the hydrogen atoms in 1 mole of H2. This means 1 molecule of H2 is equal to 2 hydrogen atoms. So which will be equal to 2 into Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23, which is equal to 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23 hydrogen atoms. So this is the answer. Now the next question is calculate the number of copper atoms in 0.3175 gram of copper. So we have to apply the same method. Firstly we have to calculate the number of moles, and after calculating the number of moles then we have to calculate the number of copper atoms. So number of moles, given mass 0.3175 upon molar mass, which is 63.5 in case of copper. So we get 0.005 mole. Now number of copper atoms is equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. So number of moles we have calculated as 0.005. Avogadro number we know 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23, and when we solve this we get 30.11 into 10 raised to the power 20 copper atoms. So this is the answer. So I hope the numericals related to mole concept are clear to you all. So that's it for this video. In the next video we are going to discuss some more important numericals on some other topics.